Hello, this is DC Trading. In today's video, I will be telling you guys what you need in order to be a successful trader in 2022. Yes, you did click the right video if you're looking for that. With that said, make sure to join the Discord, link in the description down below. If you want to, network with other traders. Last but not least, make sure to go get yourself a Nano Ledger X if you own any cryptocurrency, because you don't want any hackers taking your money. And also, if you're new to cryptocurrency, you want to get started in investing, join Coinbase today. Join Coinbase today and get $10 of free Bitcoin. Click the link down below to get started. That's if you're new. But with that said, let's get right into the video. Hello, my name is Dion Chavez. I run an online crypto trading Telegram and Discord where I teach you how to turn a few $100s into a few $1,000s. Okay guys, it is officially 2022. We are a couple months into 2022, and there's a lot of new people that are interested in trading, but they don't know how to get started, what they need. What do you guys need? Well, I got all the answers for you right now, so let's get right into it. So the first thing in trading, what you guys need are two monitors. It could be a PC, a laptop, but the thing you really need are two monitors connected to the PC or laptop. Here are the monitors you guys need. Yes, these are not the exact ones you need, but make sure they're two monitors. These are expensive. They're $300 each. They can go as low as $100. So if you find a cheap one, make sure to get them if you don't have money for that. But yes, if you don't have a PC, which I have one that are running the two monitors, I use a laptop and just get a small monitor that are cheap, as you guys can see. So those are the two things I told you guys you need: a laptop, PC, or two monitors. So it can be either the laptop or PC connected with two monitors. Yes. And also, while we're here, make sure you guys grab yourself a Nano Ledger X if you own any cryptocurrency. Second thing you are going to need is a platform to use to mark up charts. So it could be something like TradingView, which is very, very popular in this industry. It looks like this, guys, right here. You can put all the indicators, you mark up your strategies here, you do all that stuff. You can do many things with it for free. But I do advise you guys to buy, the subscription, because it is worth it, because you can get like multiple screens on here. As you guys can see, you can do so much with it, which is why I recommend you guys to have TradingView, a platform. Next thing you guys want, let me move the camera, guys. I'm going to be moving the camera a lot. Is a platform to trade on. So we got something like Pocket Options. We are going to be trading binary options. So right here we have Pocket Options. That is where, you make the trades. So we have the stuff to mark up the trades, or mark up the charts. And if you want to get in a trade and make money, you need a broker like Pocket Options for binary options. There are many, many options out there. There's not just one, there's many. So do your research and check out which one's the best. Second thing you are going to need is, a strategy, basically. So third thing you're going to need is a strategy. So make sure you guys, go look at strategies, make your own. You got to test it out to make sure it actually works. If it does work, and actually use it. But another thing you're going to need is a compound sheet, something like this right here. I'm about to take it right now. While we wait, guys, make sure to follow me on all social medias, DC_flight421, as you can see in the left corner. Okay, so something like this, guys, where you mark up your charts. If you want a copy of this, make sure to message me or just like comment down below or message me on my social media that you want it. I will send you this link. It does everything for you. So you starting amount. So I started with 344. After 60 days, I plan to make 17,000 in 60 days on this one as of right now. So with that said, yes, so here we are, guys. But these, you're gonna need a Excel sheet, to make money and follow a plan, because in trading you want to be very, very consistent, because a lot of stuff can happen. You can have an off day and lose everything, so you don't want that. That is why I recommend having a compound sheet, so you follow it, don't go over, don't go under, all that stuff. So that is the fourth thing you need. The last thing you need is right here, guys. Let me see if I have it out. Is another Excel sheet right here, like this, where you have your currency pairs, buy or sell, trend, up, down, pips, win or lose. So you want to record every trade you get in. Did you win? Did you lose? Did you buy? Did you sell? How many pips? Were you right? Were you wrong? The trend. And you want to write the currency pairs, because you want to pick out the best pairs to see which one you know the most, so you can be efficient when trading and more confident, because trading is mainly building up your confidence, because learning the skill is very, very easy, but when it comes to actually using your real money, it gets very, very difficult, and there's a lot of mind games that go into it. So I recommend having an Excel sheet, another one, where you record all your wins and losses, and you see which pairs are best, that you're winning the most, which pairs you lose the most. What are you doing wrong? So you can go back, analyze, see what you're doing wrong, and learn from your mistakes. That is the fifth thing you need. That's all the stuff you really need when trading, guys. Yes. So there are 5 things that you guys need in order to become a successful trader in 2022. This is not just for binary options. This is for cryptocurrency, Forex, HFX, stocks, all that stuff. So let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure, if you enjoyed and you got a lot out of it, to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notifications. Also, if you don't have a strategy and you don't know what strategy to use for like HFX, binary options, cryptocurrency, make sure to click up here. Oops, sorry guys, click up here and check out my recent videos on the strategies that I use to be profitable. With that said, make sure you guys share this with friends, family, everyone that are interested in trading. With that said, see you guys in the next video. Peace.